Hello there and welcome to 4234 Halleck. We're in Emeryville. We've got a 4-story townhouse here. Little backyard here. Downstairs area. There's a small ensuite bathroom here as well. We'll take a little peek into the garage. Nice big huge light-filled garage with our washer dryer. Good amount of space in here. You could also put up some cabinetry. Be able to store a lot of stuff. We'll peek into our small bathroom. This is here on the bottom level. And then we'll go ahead and start climbing the stairs. Our second floor is the main living area with the kitchen and open floor plan living room, dining room. Nice big kitchen, lovely tile on the wall. We've got our stove, oven over in the corner there. This door just opens up outside so that you can get a little bit of airflow, always nice. Good amount of cabinetry. And then we've got our huge, enormous area here in the center. Living room, dining room, 2 stories of windows, lots and lots of light. This looks right over everybody's garden. Really nice and private in here. And then we'll go ahead and we'll step on up another flight of stairs. This leads on up into our loft area. You can use this as an office. Looking down on over into our living room, dining room area. Again, all that lovely light coming through. And then we have this lifted area here. Great for storage. You could also use it for a kid's room or something like that. And then we'll go ahead and we'll come on up another flight of stairs. Here we have our master bedroom. Carpeting. Really, really ginormous room up here. You can just see the tips of the palm trees. Big, huge walk-in closet. Always good to have. And then we'll go on into the master bathroom. This is absolutely beautiful. This tub is to die for. We've got double sinks here. Nice big huge tub. That's not all. So if you don't feel like taking a big huge whirlpool bath, there is also a stand-up shower in here, good sized as well. So we'll go ahead and start walking back down the stairs. Nice and airy. There's some really nice big skylights in here as well, just to help open up into these stairs. And then we'll just take another look over the living room, dining room area. I hope you can come and see this place soon. It is an absolute gem. Thank you so much for joining us. Bye-bye.